Are you set to tackle a challenge that'll determine if you possess exceptional visual prowess? Think you can melt barriers with a stare? We do believe that eyes are the gateways to one's spirit. Are your gateways smudged, or do they offer a pristine view of the universe? Embark on this quiz to discover. There are 4 levels, with each getting progressively trickier. The initial level might appear deceptively simple, and if you spot an actual cake, well, we've got issues. As we delve deeper, increased focus is essential. Surprisingly, only a mere 6% completed the final level due to its complexity. The objective remains consistent across levels. Identify the odd hue out of 10. To clear a level, pinpoint the distinct shade each time. A single error, and you'll have to restart that level. Steady on, no need to stress. Fine-tune those irises, and let's dive into the first round. This should be a breeze. I trust you'll identify the distinct element effortlessly. You've crossed the inaugural round. It was mere child's play. An impressive 97% conquer this. Brace yourself for round 2. The stakes get higher. Where is it? Oh, I found it! Were you victorious? If so, kudos. This accomplishment confirms you're on par with the average visual acuity, a club that 55% of participants belong to. The difficulty curve is steepening. Brace yourself for level 3. That was incredibly nuanced. These variations of yellow seem almost identical, don't they? Ah, there it is. Level 3 conquered. A toast to those who progressed. You're among the elite 30% that triumphed. If this was your stumbling block, chin up. There are ways to enhance your vision, and this video will guide you through it. Now, brace yourself for level 4. Beware, it could be a game changer. You might uncover extraordinary capabilities within. On your mark, get set, go! Seriously? They look like carbon copies. Aha! Who would have guessed that one stood out? Perhaps a screen wipe might offer clarity. Impossible! I was betting on number 4. Hold on, what just happened? Incredible job, well executed. Hats off to all the visionaries who navigated this successfully. Your perception is top-notch. A staggering 94% met their match here. But you soared. Ready to compare notes? Did you navigate all 4 levels successfully? And if there was a snag, at which level did you hit a roadblock? Dive into the comments and let's chat about it. Enjoyed this content? Express your love by tapping the like button. Spread the word to friends and decipher who possesses the most discerning gaze. Stay in the loop, hit subscribe, and be on top of our latest content.